Hello children. Students, there happened to be an episode of indentured labor. Now what is this indentured labor? It is a contract between the laborers to work at some place for a particular period of time at a particular given wages. So why this indentured labor? Why contract? Why have people to move to different places? So here are the reasons what happened, when it happened, why it happened. So in the 19th century, people started migrating for work. They were mentally prepared that it is okay to migrate from one place to some another unknown place from your home, leaving your home, your surrounding, your community and to some other place for getting a better living. Even we people believe in this thing these days, right? People, they travel across the globe for work. They migrate themselves. So this trend was there to enrich the lifestyle. Now, because they were workers, what work they sought for? They looked whether they can work in the mining work, that is they can work in mines, or they can work in some plantations for long number of years so that they get a stable livelihood. The reason why they wanted to migrate is wherever they lived, they did not had houses of their own, so they were living in rented houses and the rent was so high and the wages that they received was so lesser, and this made them poor. If I earn 5,000 rupees as a laborer and if I have to spend major part of my income in paying rents and expenses, obviously I will be left with no savings and eventually I'll turn up poor. So there was a need felt for better work, for better lifestyle, for higher payments. And that's why people agreed to move at the unknown places. Here we need to understand the need of people, why they were happily ready, why they agreed upon working to some unknown place. So the need was better lifestyle. When I work somewhere for 15 hours, 17 hours a day and I still cannot get good lifestyle, I feel that let me go to some other place where I give the same input of work. I'm not having any problem with working more, but then I should get good lifestyle. This simple logic and calculation was the reason behind this indentured labor. So agents were recruited. There were some places they really were short in. They had shortfall of laborers. They were falling short in number of laborers. So they recruited the agents. The agents will find those people wanting to work as indentured labor. At times false commitments were also given. The agent would lure, would tempt the worker saying that you'll be paid high, there would be good lifestyle, it's a very decent kind of work, you will have good life, your family will be looked after. Such false commitments were also given to get those laborers into indentured labor. Less willing migrants were abducted. Now few in temptation did not resist. Few others thought that is it really wise traveling so far just for work? Work I get here also. It's okay if I get lesser payment. So those people who were reluctant, who were less willing, they were abducted, they were kidnapped. Working conditions were harsh. Now when they reached in those places where this indentured laborers had to work, they saw that working hours were so high, it was very rough condition. Payment was also more or less lesser, and there was basically hardly any change in the lifestyle they lived before in their hometowns, in their home country, and to where they migrated. Absence of human rights. When these people had any demand, they were not allowed to raise their voice, this indentured labor. Nor was there anybody to take stand for them. Few people tried to run away, tried to escape. Few others accepted, okay, now this is only the situation. Whatever it is, we will try to be happy in. And then they formed their own community. And their community, they kept on working. They kept on enjoying with each other, sharing their emotions. Then here they say that festivals were celebrated. Each one belonged to different country, different culture, different region, different religion. So they started mingling with each other, they started celebrating each one's festival. Chutney music, a mixture of different cultures music, came up. Intercaste marriages were promoted because multiple people, multiple places, people, they came in together. So maybe a guy from one country is getting attracted to girl from another country now because they are all together. So that's how it went in, and this is the story of indentured labor. Can be asked as a short note in 3 marks. Enough content here to understand and remember. See you with the next episodes, children. See you then. Bye bye.